So, this is part two on how to hire an architect but you don't know where to start. First thing is meet them in person because meeting them in person, nakikita mo how they talk, how the body language is, basically just checking the vibe. And when you meet in person, you understand each other better. So nakikita nyo kung genuine ba din talaga sila. Second is ask them how they charge because some architects they charge differently. At least clearing out the fees maaga pa lang, alam nyo how to start the transaction or how to proceed with the work. Third is as a client, this is your responsibility. Please do read the contract carefully. And if you want to hire a lawyer separately, please do. It's best talaga na malinaw at pabasa nyo ng maigi yung contract before proceeding the work. Because a lot of misunderstandings happen pag si client hindi binabasa ng maigi yung contract na pinipresent sa kanya. Or tamad na lang talaga. Because contracts are there for a reason. It is to safeguard you and the architect as well. Fourth is, if recommended si architect by somebody that you know or a friend, much better. But if you find an architect and you want to try them out or check their skills, you can always ask them about their past clients or interview them if you can. So I hope these tips helps you a lot. And if you want to ask more questions, please comment down below. And watch out for part 3 because it's about after you hire. So stay tuned and follow for more architecture tips.